Here's a small deal of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres, materials being wetted to help highlight the colours. The white that you're seeing there's a light reflection. Just going a bit closer. Okay. Colour bar here. Showing through here as well. It's quite undulating, that piece. Thin layer of opal on the top of the black potch, but that should make a, or possibly make a nice bright stain for you. Again, there's a colour bar, that rich blue colour. How far it goes, hard to tell. Greens and golds there on the end. It's not showing up so much over this side. A little bit of pink maybe here. Again on black. Nice bright, vibrant colour perhaps. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.